Nne m na ụmụnna m ndewo no unu anwụchule o ndị Igbo si ọjị mbụ wee ekele n'ihi na ekwe ekele ihu asaa.
Let's talk about Igbo marital practice of wife inheritance.
Ikuchi Nwanyi, where a widow can be prevailed to remain in her late husband's family and have children by one of his relatives of her choice for purpose of producing an offspring for her late husband.
If brethren dwell together, and one of them die, and have no child, the wife of the dead shall not marry without unto a stranger. Her husband's brother shall go in unto her, and take her to him to wife, and perform the duty of an husband's brother unto her. And it shall be that the firstborn which she beareth shall succeed in the name of his brother which is dead, that his name be not put out of Israel. And if the man like not to take his brother's wife, then let his brother's wife go up to the gate unto the elders, and say, My husband's brother refuseth to raise up unto his brother a name in Israel. He will not perform the duty of my husband's brother. Then the elders of his city shall call him, and speak unto him. And if he stand to it, and say, I like not to take her, then shall his brother's wife come unto him in the presence of the elders, and loose his shoe from off his foot, and spit in his face, and shall answer and say, So shall it be done unto that man that will not build up his brother's house. And his name shall be called in Israel, the house of him that hath his shoe loosed.
Just to explain levirate marriage to those who aren't familiar with it, let's say a man is married, and he dies, and he has no children. So his brother, if he was able, would then marry that widow. And then the first child that she would bear would be the brother's child in terms of his name, his inheritance. It wouldn't have the same name, but it would be his lineage. It would be considered as his son. So his memory wouldn't be blotted out from Israel. And then any children she had subsequently would have the lineage of the physical father.
In order to cater for her and her children. This would now enable the man to take over the late brother's property in order to use those resources to take care of the late brother's family. When the man died early, and maybe there is no heir, or maybe there are children involved. So this is why the practice of Ikuchi Nwanyi comes in. Now, this practice entails the inheritance of a woman by the deceased brother.
Ana emekwali omenala. Na ọbụrụ na onye fụ na asị na Ikuchi Nwanyi, ọmata maba, ịmata maba n'ike ime nsọ ala. Ụmụnna ga-ama, ndị mụrụ nke nwaanyị ji ama, enwere omenala na-emeghalị ya. Iji sikọ na ọpụgo n'aka onye nke nwụrụ anwụ, nọrụzie n'aka onye nke dị ndụ. Ọ bụrụkwa nwunye onye nke dị ndụ nke ebua. Eme omenala dị ya, okuchie ya. Chiva dị mma, ọmụtakwali ya nwa. Onye nu kuchili ya, ga na-azụ nke anwa mụtali ya, na-azụkwa nke nu nwanne ya mụtali wee nwụrụ.
This cultural practice or arrangement was never forced on a woman. Now, many women are becoming masters of industries, and we can do more, we can take care of things. So it's contributed to this practice losing its relevance. Irrespective of the times and our reality, we should actually create room for women who are okay with Ikuchi Nwanyi, with this kind of practice.